In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Sonic gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly which option to pick, how to enter the right details, and how to confidently complete your purchase. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Sonic Drive-In website. You'll typically find a link to gift cards right on the homepage or in the site's menu. Look for the option that says Buy e-gift card or Mail a gift card. This is where you'll choose how the gift will be delivered. Now decide on the type of card. An e-gift card is delivered by email, which is great if you need a last-minute present or want something you can forward instantly. A physical gift card is sent through the mail, making it a good choice if you prefer something the recipient can hold or you're planning to include it in a greeting card. Keep in mind that physical cards involve shipping time, while e-gift cards usually arrive quickly after purchase. Next, select the amount. You'll see preset options, often in a range from around $10 to $100. Choose what fits your budget and the occasion. If you're unsure, think about the recipient's typical order and how many visits you want to cover. After that, enter the recipient's details. For e-gift cards, type in the email address carefully and double-check for typos to make sure it lands in the right inbox. For physical cards, enter the full mailing address, including apartment or suite information if needed. If you want to send the e-gift to yourself first and forward it later, you can enter your own email address. You'll usually have the option to add a personalized message. This is optional, but it's a nice touch. Keep it short, friendly, and relevant to the occasion. When you're ready, click Add to Cart or Buy Now. Add to Cart is helpful if you plan to purchase more than one card. Buy Now moves you directly toward payment. Enter your payment information on the secure checkout page. Make sure the billing name and address match your payment method to avoid delays. Before you finalize anything, review your order carefully. Confirm the card type, the amount, the recipient's email or mailing address, and your message. Finally, click Checkout or Place Order to complete the purchase. You should see a confirmation screen, and you'll typically receive a confirmation email as well. For e-gift cards, ask the recipient to check their inbox and spam folder if they don't see it right away. For mailed cards, keep an eye out for any shipping updates, and that's it. You've successfully bought a Sonic gift card.